Alright guys, just wanted to show you this real quick. You ever have that problem? Go to flush the toilet, nothing happens. Alright, so we're going to dive right in here, see what we can find out. Alright, check. Alright, here we go. Alright, you see that thing? It's all rusted up. Chain fell off. It's down there in the bottom of the tank. So looks like we gotta go to the hardware store and pick up one of these new levers here that's not so rusted out. Alright, we're gonna go head out to the hardware store and pick up the parts that we need. Back at you. Hey, what's happening, guys? We're back at our local Home Depot store, and we're here to get a couple supplies to fix that toilet that does not flush. I'll get inside and I'll give you an update exactly where we can find all our hardware that we need to fix this toilet that does not flush. Alright, back at you. Alright guys, this is the aisle that we gotta go down. Aisle 32, it might be different in your neighborhood, but I look for the toilets, plumbing repairs, and should be down that aisle. Over here in the toilet repair, this is pretty much all we're gonna need. Is this little flip handle here, and they got one here on the bottom. That's all we need. And we'll take this back to the house and show you guys how to install that. Alright guys, we're back. This is what we picked up. It's the Everbuilt Universal, the tank lever. Okay, it says it's universal with the front mount, fits standard toilet tanks, and it's a chrome handle. Alright, I'm going to take it out of the bag. Alright, there we go. Nice and shiny. Alright, we'll take this off of here. And then we'll remove our old one. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and remove the old one off of the tank. It's real easy. Didn't even need any tools yet. Alright. Comes out. Slide this out like that. That's it. Alright, now we're going to install the new one. Very simple. Slide it in. Okay. Take our little plastic nut here and thread it back on. Alright. Alright, now we need to go down in here and get this chain. I'm going to bring you guys over with me. Bring you guys over here. So we got to go down in here and get this chain and connect it up. Alright. So we'll go down in here. Pick the chain up. Alright, it's got a little clip on this one. You see that? A little clip. So all we got to do is just clip it back onto here. And we should be good. It's a little tough to do that one-handed. Alright, I'm going to put this down in a different angle and I'll come back to you. Alright guys, so all we got to do now is get this chain. Get this chain right here. And get it so you guys can see it. Alright, this chain right here. And all we got to do is clip it on here. So I'm going to go ahead and lift this up a little bit. I flipped it on. Put the flapper down. Alright, that's it. Alright, check this out. See that? So we make sure that the chain, when you pull the lever, can pick that flapper up and it can come back down. Alright. I know some models you might have to bend this up a little bit so it'll work properly, but this worked right out the box for us, no problem at all. Push down, total flush, everything's good. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it helped some of you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share.